Hey, hello everybody. What about some drifting time? Let's get this car to test. Tamya TL01 Silvia. This one has some lights. Let's see how it drifts. Alright, let's do it. But first I'm gonna blow off this garage that has a lot of dust, so that way I don't have to clean all this underneath chassis. Let's do it. Now it's a little bit cleaner. Oh yeah. When you drift, slightly turn your wheel to the right or to the left and just push the full throttle. Of course you gotta have those slicks. You gotta have those two slicks on it. Let me show you how it works. It's a PVC on it. I wrapped this silvia in like a vinyl wrap. Looks pretty good. Looks shiny. Almost look like some kind of aluminum wrap. That's Tamya CC01 FJ Cruiser and Tamya TL01. Those are good reliable chassis. My daughter's favorite truck for about 4 years now, and this Tamya CC01 been very reliable. The only thing I have done to it is a steering link. I upgraded to aluminum. If you can see, it's in there. That's the only thing I have upgraded to. There is nothing else that I have done to this chassis. Pretty amazing one. Yep, nothing else done to it. And sometimes she have some kids over, and those boys, they will bash it until they're tired. Yeah. This is only two of my cars that I have at my garage. The rest of the pack is in my shop. I can't get it all here because there's no space. I don't have any shelving or nothing equipped for that collection. So on this shelf I have those two cars and stuff. I wonder if you ever seen anything like that. I have a low spot. That is so weird. Never knew that you could get a low spot. Yes, oh dang, look at that. I have a low spot right there. Wow. Okay, I guess it's time to replace it. I have a bunch of them spare. That's funny, I just learned something. Looks like there could be a low spot. How did that happen? You know, when you hit brakes on the real car and you skid for so long, then yeah, you can get a low spot. But this toy is back on the shelf. No more drifting on a low spot. Doesn't feel right. That thing is like rattling. Okay, good deal. So please mash that subscribe button. It's not gonna hurt you. See you next time.